Today we are going to discuss about very important topic, mitosis. What is mitosis? What is the importance of mitosis? In which cells mitosis is occurs? We have to discuss that one. The mitosis means easy to learn. One cell, for example, this is cell. Our body made up of cells, group of millions of cells. One cell equally divided into two cells. One cell equally divided into two cells. That is we can call mitosis. The number of chromosomes, this is diploidy in stage. The number of chromosomes even in daughter cells also same. Parent and daughter cells also number of chromosomes are same. How it possible? We have to discuss. Okay, what is mitosis means what? One cell equally divided into two equal halves, two equal daughter cells. That is we can call mitosis. The first concept, that is mitosis. And next one, what is the importance of mitosis? Important. Why mitosis occurs? Importance of mitosis. Why mitosis occurs in our body? In our body, animal's body, plant body. Why mitosis? What is the importance of mitosis? The mitosis, importance of mitosis. Mitosis occurs for reasons are growth. Increase the growth rate of the body. Increase the growth rate of the body, even plant or animal, microorganism, whatever is there. Increase the growth rate of the body. How it possible? Through which cell division? That cell division is what? Mitosis. Body repair. Repair. What is repair? Any body part is what? What body part is what? Dead. Need to form new cells. The possible only mitosis. Okay. And also what? Regeneration. Regeneration. What is regeneration? Regeneration means what? For example, any body part is separated. Any body, unfortunately, accidentally, any body part is separate from parent body. Separate from parent body. For example, lizard, we are observed sometimes lizard tail is removed. The new tail is formed. It will take some time. How is it possible for regeneration of body parts? Only through with mitosis. That means regeneration of body parts, increase the growth rate of the body parts, increase the growth rate, and the repair of body parts, whatever is the organs or anything tissues, the possible only with mitosis only. But in our body, not only in our body, mitosis occurs in which cells? Mitosis occurs in somatic cells. What is somatic cells? Somatic cells means body cells. Body cells. Mitosis occurs in body cells. In our body, for example, male being body, in all body cells mitosis occurs. Somatic cells mitosis occurs, except germ cells. Except germ cells, mitosis is not occurs. What is germ cells means what? Oh, in ovary and testes, and these are produce what? Gametes, male gamete and female gamete. The formation of gametes only meiosis is occurs. Cell division, type of cell division meiosis occurs. Remaining the growth rate of the body parts, repair of the body parts, or increase the what? Regeneration of the body parts. Only possible is what? Mitosis is occurs. And remaining only the formation of sperm cells, formation of ovum in female, that is only in that only meiosis occurs. Remaining body parts are what? Mitosis is occurs. Okay, now we will discuss about what mitosis is possible, especially what happens in mitosis. In mitosis, what I have told, one cell divided into what? Two equal cells. That means it will be forms in mitosis. The process of mitosis, how many daughter cells are formed? Two daughter cells are formed. These daughter cells, especially formation of this daughter cell, it will be complete with some phases. What does it mean? Stages. Some phases are stages. What are that phases? Before mitosis, mitosis not occurs. Before mitosis, what will be happen? For example, any body part need to regenerate. Already we learnt about cell theory. In cell theory, what we learnt? New cells are arise from pre-existing cells. For example, this is hand. In that hand, this part is skin part is removed. The new skin need to form new skin. What happened? Whatever before cells, whatever cells is there, this cell divided from two cells. This cell divided from two cells. This cell divided from two cells. Slowly, what will be happen? This wherever we are injured, wherever the skin is removed, that body part is recovered within few days. How it possible? Only possible with what? Mitosis. And I have told one more word also. In mitosis, the number of chromosomes are equal in parent cell and daughter cells. Whatever cells is there, in that number of chromosomes are equal. How it possible? Okay, we have to observe the stages. What are the stages in mitosis? Okay. Is having in mitosis. In mitosis, it will be complete the formation of daughter cells within 4 phases. What are that 4 phases? The first phase is prophase. What is the meaning of prophase? Pro means starting, first pehla, the first stage. Okay, prophase. And second stage is after prophase, metaphase. Metaphase. Second phase is metaphase. That means the completion of mitosis within 4 phases. The first one prophase, metaphase, and third one is anaphase. Anaphase. And fourth one is telo. Telo means what? Final. Telophase. Telophase. After that one, cytokinosis. Cytokinosis. Okay, we'll discuss. Okay, that means simple. Mitosis means one cell divided into two cells. One cell divided into two cells. Okay, one cell divided forms two new daughter cells. That is we can call mitosis. In mitosis, what happens? Before cell division, that means need to form new cells. Before cell division, cell divisions are not occurs. Before cell division, what are the changes occurs in cell? For example, this is a cell. In that nucleus, in that chromosomes are. These are we can call chromosomes. Chromatin are chromosomes, first of all. Chromosomes. Okay. Generally in human being 46 chromosomes is there, 23 pairs. Not possible to show 46 chromosomes. So that we are showing 2 pairs only of chromosomes. Okay. Here the chromosomes is there. In, for example, in parent cell, how many chromosomes? 2 pairs of 4 chromosomes is there. For example, in daughter cells also, whatever daughter cells also, in 2 daughter cells also, each and every daughter cell 4 chromosomes. How it possible? This cell divided into 2 cells, but actually need to come 4 means 2 plus 2 only. But in each and every cell, even daughter cells also, each daughter cells having what? Number of chromosomes are equal as it is like parent. How it possible? How it possible means before cell division. That means cell division is not occurs. Before cell divisions, the stage interphase is occurs. Interphase. Inter means middle. Interphase. Interphase. In this phase, what happens? This is chromosome. This is nucleus. In nucleus, this is what genetic material, what we call genetic material. The genetic material, it is doubled. Doubled means what? Genetic material replicated form. For example, genetic material 46 chromosomes is there. It will be doubled in 92 chromosomes. That means it replicates and forms new genetic material before cell division. Try to understand. In interphase, in interphase what will be happen? After interphase only cell division will be starts. Prophase will be starts. For example, cell. This one is a cell. In that number of chromosomes are only, for example, only 4 chromosomes is there. These 4 chromosomes in interphase what will be happen? It will be replicated double. Double means 8 chromosomes it will be forms. Why? Because need to distribute equal chromosomes in daughter cells. Try to understand. So that what will be happen? The before cell division only the number of chromosomes or number of genetic material. The genetic material is replicated and form new copies. The chromosomes are doubled in before cell divisions. Okay. Now, try to understand. Now, what happened after interphase? In interphase, what happens? In interphase, the number of chromosomes are DNA material. Genetic material is what? DNA material means what? Genetic material. Replicate and form doubled. DNA material is doubled. Genetic material. And second one, cell size is also increased. Cell size is also increased in interphase. Cell size also increased in interphase. That means in interphase what happened? Okay, two. You have to remember two. One is okay. The number of chromosomes are doubled. One. Second one is what? What happens in interphase? The cell size is increased. For cell size is small before interphase. After that one cell size is increased. And what happens now? Next goes for prophase, the first stage. Pro means starting. In prophase, what happens in prophase? Whatever chromatin, these are we can call chromatin. Chromatin, that is nothing but chromatin, genetic material. These thread-like structures are fiber-like structure, thread-like structures. This is chromatin. This chromatin condensed and changing like what? Chromatins. Try to understand. Okay, in prophase what will happen actually? In a cell, in nucleus, whatever chromosomes is there, thread-like structure, it is changing like what? Chromatids. Chromatid. These chromatid, what is the difference between this and that? These are thread-like structures. It's not visible using with microscope also, very thin, very small. But when it condenses and forms what? Chromatids. Chromatids are large in size and easily visible with microscope. Both are same only. The first, before cell division, we can call this is chromatin. This chromatin condensed and forms large size. We can call chromatids. Now these chromatids already what will be happen? Doubled. So that what will be happen? It forms what? Sister chromatids. Sister chromosomes. Chromosomes are chromatid, both are same only. Sister chromosome. Okay. For example, here one chromosomes are okay. For example, these are the chromosome. The chromosome attached with what? Sorry. The chromosome attached with what we can call centromere. Kinetosome. Centromere. What is the center? Center. It will be attached the chromosomes. Chromosomes. This is we can call centromere. And both are combined with centromere. And in prophase what happened? In prophase, these chromatin changing like chromosomes, and slowly this nuclear envelope, whatever nuclear envelope is also slowly disappear. In prophase, the first stage what will be happen? The chromatin changing like what? Chromatids. Chromatin change like chromatid. Chromatid is a large size which is easily with microscope. And changing like that is. And also whatever nuclear envelope is there. What is the meaning of nuclear envelope? Around nucleus is covering with nucleus envelope. The nucleus envelope is also slowly disappear. Now what happens? The next stage is in metaphase. Meta means middle. In middle phase, what will be happen? These chromosomes, whatever chromosome, these are coming in equatorial plate. Equatorial means it will become in straight line. Observe that one. In metaphase, these chromosomes are arranged in a sequence way. Arranged, they are coming in proper way, in a line. Equatorial plate. Equatorial plate. And these chromosomes are attached with these centromeres, whatever poles having centromere, these are microtubules. It will be forms microtubules and forms what we call, these are spindle fiber. The spindle fibers are attached with what? Centromere. In metaphase, what are the main changes occurs in metaphase? In prophase, these are condensed and form large sized chromatids or chromosomes. These are we can call sister chromosomes. That means doubled chromosomes, number of chromosomes. And metaphase, what will be? These chromosomes are coming in a line, equatorial plate. And these are attached with what? These centromeres are formed what? Microtubules. What we call, these are spindle fibers. And these are attached with, these centromeres are attached with what? Spindle fibers. That is metaphase. In ana means moving phase. In anaphase, what will be happen? These microtubule, what we call spindle fiber, starts from contraction. When these microtubule spindle fibers starts from contraction or squeezing, what will be happen? These chromosomes are divided. It divided into two parts. This side chromosomes are moving this side, that side chromosome we divided and moving toward the poles. Try to understand. In ana means what? Anaphase, the moving phase. What happened? The chromosomes are divided and sister chromatids are moving toward the poles. This pole, this side and this side. It will be moving, divided and moving. Half of the chromosomes this side, half of the chromosomes this side. That is we can call anaphase. After anaphase, what will be happen? Starts from now, the chromosomes equally distributed in telophase. Next one, telo means final stage. In telophase, the chromosomes are again will be changing like chromatin. Around chromosomes, what? Nucleoenvelope is formed. Nucleoenvelope is formed automatically, and middle of the cell, what happened? Cytokinesis occurs. Cytokinesis. What is cytokinesis? Cell is equally divided. Cytokinesis divides into two parts. It divides in two parts. It will be forms two cells, two daughter cells. In two daughter cells, the number of chromosomes are same. For example, in parent cell 4 chromosomes. For example, only in this also daughter cells also 4 chromosomes. In this also nucleus having 4 chromosomes. How it possible? How it possible means what? Before cell divisions, the number of chromosomes are increased or doubled, so that the chromosomes are equally distributed in daughter cells. Try to understand. Very simple. In prophase, what will be happen? This chromatin, whatever thread-like structures are chromatid, is what? Changing like chromatin changing like chromatids, like rod-like structures, easily visible in microscope. That is we can call chromosomes also. These chromosomes, okay, in metaphase and nucleoenvelope also disappear. In metaphase, these chromosomes are coming in a line in equatorial plate. And these are attached with what? Spindle fibers. These spindle fibers squeezing and contraction starts from contraction. The chromosomes divide and moves toward the poles. Toward this pole and this side, this side. The chromosomes divided into two equal parts. Half of the chromosomes moving this side, half of the chromosomes moving that side. And what will be happen after moving the chromosomes toward the poles? The new nucleoenvelope is forms. After that one, cytokinesis. This cell is divided into two cells. The two cells and finally forms two daughter cells. That means the chromosomes also same in like parents only. This is what we can call mitosis. The mitosis occurs in our somatic cells. Thank you.